We applied a cementitious grout, the Proma Pro Max 2.0, to a set of sample tiles. Following package directions, we mixed the powdered grout with water and applied it using the Proma Pro Grout Max 2.0 grout float. The Proma Grout products are easy to use, high quality, and made in Canada. We used clear water, the Proma Pro Grout Max 2.0 mixing pail, and the Proma standard sponge to clean off excess grout. We intentionally left a grout haze to dry for 24 hours on this tile to show how effective the FCS Solutions cement grout residue remover is at cleaning grout haze on tiles. The cement grout residue remover is for the removal of cement grout haze, residue, and efflorescence. It's safe on ceramic, porcelain, and non-calcareous natural stone. To use this remover, dilute 1 part remover to 1 part water. Pour it directly on the tiles and spread it even with a scrub pad. We are using the FCS Solutions black scrub pad for this tutorial. Set a timer for 3 to 5 minutes depending on the amount of haze visible. Gently scrub the tiles continuously until the timer is done. Make sure to avoid directly scrubbing the grout lines. Finish by thoroughly rinsing the area with clear water. For this tutorial, we used a clean, wet sponge to clear off excess remover and residue, but for larger spaces, pouring water or using a hose directly on the clean tiles is ideal. The cement grout residue remover is easy to use, works quickly, and is made in Canada. Looking at the before and after, you can see the cement grout residue remover completely revived this tile in just a few minutes. To shop Proma or FCS Solutions products, click the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.